I love finding free tackle. There's always a spot, you know? You can either find it on the bank, like this one. Usually find them in the trees. We found a shade spot right here, right now. It's 90 degrees with not a breeze in there. Just nothing, nada. But we're gonna start trolling. It's electric only. I seen a huge one flop over there a minute ago. Gonna see what we can find. I knew they'd be over here.
Yep.
Oh, he's good looking too. Look at you, handsome. Ooh, look at you. Look how pretty he is.
Hi, big guy. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty.
He's a largemouth.
Yeah, let's put him back.
I do.
Here, put your thumb in. We're gonna try to catch some more.
Oh.